On this episode of Too Many Project Garage, we're back, and hopefully on this episode, we're going to get this car running. Stay tuned. I bought a new pump. Looks very nice. New sock, everything. But before we can put the pump in, we've got to clean up the hanger that holds it, because as you could see from last time, this thing was gross. And I'm pretty sure the tank is pretty gross too, but I'm just going to stick it in here. We're going to see if it'll work for now, just to keep it, just so I can move it around, you know. Put it in the driveway, and then I'm going to drop the tank officially and clean it out, just like we did on the Civic. And that'll be probably this weekend if the weather permits. Right now, it's looking like the weekend is going to be very rainy, unfortunately. So that's too bad. But what I want to do is pull all this stuff out and get access to the pump. Just to make it easier on me, I took off the roof. Since we lubed up the seals last time, it did not leak even a drop, and it rained a lot since the last video. So I'm pretty happy about that. I consider that a success. All right, let's take this back off here and get access to that pump. We got it out, and I stepped on it on accident, but I don't think I heard it, so that's good. It's gonna make it a little stinky, but yeah, I need to clean the crap out of this thing before I put the new pump on. Well, I didn't do a perfect job, but I think it's good enough for now. We're gonna stick this in there and we'll see if we can get it to work. All right, temporary fuel pump installation complete, just so we can test it, make sure it functions. Like I said, we're gonna take the whole tank out and have it cleaned before, you know, we go any further. But for now, that should tell us if we have fuel pumpage. I don't think it'll clog up immediately, so we should be able to start it up and move it around the yard at the very minimum. All right, guys, moment of truth. I put the old battery in. We did charge it. Who knows if it actually works, you know? So let's turn this off. I think the battery does like turn it over. I don't know if I hear any fuel pumpage though. That's the question. Oh, it's running. The car's running. It's alive. It's beautiful. It's running a little rough, but I think, look at that. Uh-oh. Let's check out the engine bay real quick. And the puppy, Lilu. Hello, Lilu. She's hanging out. Let's look. I think I heard a belt break or something. Ooh! Pick it up. There's something. Oh, the belts are still there. Uh-oh. We got a fuel leak, boys. Fuel leak. Cut the engine, cut the engine. Oh, okay. Well, we know the fuel pump works, but there is a major fuel leak right there on this looks to be crappy line. I may be able to shorten it though. Dang. But it does run. I bet that's why it was running rough. Shoot. Well, hey, we know we need to buy a new fuel pump, or not fuel line there. But hey, it ran. That's awesome. On the original battery after we charged it. Can you believe it? So I got the fuel hose off, and it looks like, I don't know, maybe rodent damage is what I'm thinking. I'm not 100% sure. But if you look at the AC line right here, it's also kind of chewed up looking right at that spot too. So I'm thinking maybe rodents got in there and decided they wanted to chew on some stuff, maybe. That's a thought. Not 100% sure though, but everything else looks pretty decent in the engine bay, so who knows. All right, guys, it's starting to get late, but check it out. Brand new fuel hose. Ignore the not for fuel injection systems. That's the only fuel hose I could find, and I'm pretty sure it's fine for this. It says up to 50 PSI, and I really highly doubt that fuel pump is putting out more than 50 PSI. So what we're gonna do is hook the battery back up, and we're gonna start up the car and see how it does. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get it to start. I hear the pump. Oh, it stopped. Okay, pump is primed. Hey, Okay, let's take a look and see if we've got any leaks. Nope, nothing's leaking as far as I can tell. Everything looks good. And it's running real smooth. Question is, do I have any fluid? Oh yeah, it's circulating fluid. That's nice. Huh. Pretty cool. Let's see if we've got any AC. I'd highly doubt it. That'd be cool if we did though. Headlights work. Nice. Brights were on though. Okay. Fan works. I don't think the AC did anything. Let me see if the compressor kicked on. I kind of figured it wouldn't do anything, but you can't even see. No, compressor's definitely not kicked on. So I kind of expected that. You know, what do you expect after sitting so long? It's definitely gonna let out all the Freon or whatever it is. But yeah, it's running. There's like a ton of mud dauber nests just flying around in there. Roll down the windows. Very nice. Let's put on the seat belt here. Actually, you know what? Let's drop the hood. I think it's safe enough to let it run for a little bit. Let me top up the water real quick and then we'll go from there. Didn't take much to top it up. That's really nice. Okay, let's put down the hood and we'll drive it around a tiny bit. I think there's still air in all the tires and the donut is what I'm going to say. We might take it down, up and down the block real quick and see what happens. That feels pretty good. Very nice. Let's turn on the headlights. That one's obviously not working. Turn signal works, except for like the other side's busted out, so that obviously does not work. Put it in reverse here. Oh hey, we've got, oh, we're in a little bit of a rut right now. Oh hey, look at this, we're moving. We're moving, we're driving that quickly, guys, that freaking quickly. Just needed a fuel pump. Can you believe it? It's been a minute since this thing's driven, so I'm sure the clutch is not great. Oh my gosh, we're driving. Goes in a second. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna turn around here. I'm not gonna drive it on the regular road. I just wanted to see if it'd go down around the block here. Oop, something's rubbing. Okay. I got some rubbing going on here. I should back up. If I turn my wheel too far, it doesn't like it. Interesting, it shows on the little thing that on the little screen there that the target top's off. Huh. Wow, this is crazy. It drives, guys, it drives. I'm gonna go ahead and park it right here behind the truck for now. But I cannot tell you how pleased I am. Oh, the brakes. I forgot about the brakes. Tell you what, I'm gonna drive them down the road and I'm gonna hit the brakes real hard and see if we can clean them off. She drives amazing, guys. This is awesome. Got plenty of power. Of course, we're gonna do all the maintenance, changing out the oil. We're gonna replace the timing belt and everything. We're just gonna go through the whole thing and just make sure it's good to go before I start driving this thing. But I'm actually really excited, man. This is great. And I think the AC has got some potential too. So look at this thing, it's so cool. Unfortunately, it says code on the radio. I'm gonna have to figure out how to, you know, get this radio working. But for now, it's pretty amazing. Everything seems to work. Oh, even the fog lights, well, one of the fog lights works out of the two. Amazing. I'm loving this thing. And that's it for this video, guys. As you can see, it's getting a little late. But I am super happy that we got this thing running again, driving again. Went down the road and back just perfectly fine, no issues there. So I cannot tell you how excited I am to continue this project, start replacing the fender, replacing the headlights, doing the timing belt, water pump, all of that, just get it perfect again and start driving the crap out of this thing. So I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. And I want to thank my members, and I'll see you guys next time on Too Many Projects Garage.